Welcome to English Quizler, where we make learning English fun and exciting. Are you ready for the ultimate Guess the Cleaning Tools quiz challenge? Test your vocabulary with 50 quick-fire questions and see if you're a true word genius. Be sure to watch the video till the end and comment your score below. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's get started. Broom. Mop. Dustpan. Vacuum cleaner. Sponge. Scrub brush. Bucket. Microfiber cloth. Duster. Feather duster. Squeegee. Lint roller. Toilet brush. Toilet plunger. Dish brush. Dish sponge. Scouring pad. Cleaning rag. Cleaning gloves. Spray bottle. Grout brush. Bottle brush. Rubber gloves. Floor wiper. Toilet bowl cleaner wand. You're doing great so far. Do you want to level up your English? I have linked some top English learning resources for you. Go check it out after finishing the quiz. Cobweb duster. Cleaning brush. Steel wool. Magic eraser. Window scraper. Shower squeegee. Mop bucket with wringer. Garbage bag. Floor sweeper. Lint brush. Car cleaning mitt. Dusting cloth. Sink plunger. Handheld vacuum. Floor dust mop. Window wiper. High pressure water sprayer. Carpet sweeper. Microfiber mop. Grill brush. Shoe cleaning brush. Eyeglass cleaning cloth. Hand brush and dustpan set. Sponge mop. Trash can. Time's up. How did you do? Did you smash all 50 questions, or did a few trip you up? Drop your score in the comments and let us know. And if you enjoyed this quiz, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell, so you never miss a challenge from English Quizler. Boost your English with resources in the description. Fun quizzes, better English. See you in the next video. Happy quizzing!